Bitcoin CLI get block count will give us the total amount of Bitcoin block that we have so far since 2009. So, and then I can, okay, let's try another one. Bitcoin CLI get block hash. I want get block hash. For example, I want a block like around 14,000. Okay, the height is 14,057.8. Okay, yeah, so this is the block 14,057.8. Okay, so let's find it in blockchain.info. So go to the blockchain.info. Then here, let's say, what was it? I'll just copy the 14,057.8 from here and put 14,057.8 here, and as you can see, this is our block number 14,057.8. This has so many transactions, and the hash is this, and this hash matches with the hash that we have in your computer. Okay, I clear it, I run it again, get block hash 14,057.8. this is the hash. As you can see, this will match with this hash. Okay, so now if I want to have all the information of this block, so what I do, Bitcoin CLI get block 14,057.8, I press enter. What happened? Bitcoin CLI, okay, no, not with the index, but I'll have to give the block hash here. Bitcoin CLI get block, I put all the hash address here, I put enter. As you can see, all the information. So here is basically get block. As you can see, these 5 things are the header information, hash, confirmations, size, height, version, Merkle root, and then these transactions. So as you can see, there are lots of transactions, and we don't have here we have every transaction. We have the transaction hash, and we have the transaction hash, then the input address, and then the output address. Okay, and the thing is here, this command won't show you the addresses, who sent whom how many bitcoins. It won't show you. It will just give you the transaction hash. The hash of this transaction hash is basically the transaction hash of this one, CC9 EC577. As you can see, it matches. Okay, so actually we have other commands, get transaction, and then we can use these transaction hashes to get the information of the transaction. Okay, so I will have a very detailed conversation on a very detailed description on transactions in later videos, so I won't go there. So we also have, at the beginning, we have the time, and this is the nonce. This is the key. This was the thing that a miner found out, and then hashed the Bitcoin block header and got the solution of that block. Okay, and this was the difficulty at that time. And this is chain work previous block hash. This is the, for example, if you want to just get the information of the previous block, you just get block, and you just copy this previous block hash like this and put it here. This will give you all the information about the previous block. Okay, and as you can see, the height is 140,577. On the other hand, this one was 140,578. Okay, so we talked today about Bitcoin block. We reviewed the Bitcoin block a little bit, what's a Bitcoin header and what goes inside Bitcoin, and we knew about how you can participate to the Bitcoin network by becoming a Bitcoin node, Bitcoin full node, there I will talk later. You can have configuration file. So whether you want to be a full node or you want to become a simple node, which doesn't download all the detailed information about the transaction, that you can specify in your configuration file. So now I want to become a little bit more savvy. So as I have shown you that blockchain.info or any website that extracts Bitcoin information basically can get the information from the client that it's running in the local computer, which downloads or synchronizes with a Bitcoin chain. So I have previously shown you that the code of Bitcoin is in the GitHub. So we can go to the GitHub Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. So this is the main code, and you can basically clone it or download this, and all the source. If we look at the code,